This is the GBH 18V-26. It's the brushless SDS Plus rotary hammer drill from Bosch, featuring 2.6 joules of impact energy, which is huge for such a small, compact tool. Now, it also impacts up to 4,350 times per minute with a max speed of 980 RPM. But despite all that impact power, it's got loads of anti-vibration technology built into it, as well as kickback protection, so it's both easy to use and very comfortable. It's got a dial there to switch between the modes from regular drilling to hammer drilling. It also has just chiseling, and in between those last two is a clutch mode for reorienting your chisel, which is very useful. And a really handy function you see less and less these days on SDS drills is that reverse function under your thumb. So if you're digging a tunnel to Timbuktu through your slab and your drill bit gets stuck, you can reverse it and get your drill back out again. It's a cracking drill. You can pick it up by itself in the Bosch aisle, but the best way to get this drill for the best value is as part of Bosch's exclusive to Sydney Tools 7-piece kit this tax time. But that 7-piece bit is a little misleading. If you consider the impact wrench is also an impact driver, that's a 2-for-1 by my count. And if you order this exclusive kit at Sydney Tools before the end of tax time, they'll also throw in a free 5-inch grinder as well. So that's 9 tools by my count. You can also redeem a 5th battery absolutely free. So it's incredible value. Make sure you check that out at sydneytools.com.au or go to your local Sydney Tools store. And if you've got any questions, don't dilly-dally. Hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.